Hi, my name is Meg, and if you're like me, you bought a CR-10 version 2 because you thought you were ready for the world of big 3D printing. And like me, you may have discovered it's harder than you thought. I'm here to share with you today some information I wish I could have found on YouTube. So let's unclog your Bowden tube, your nozzle, and even replace your nozzle if that's what you need. It's easier than you think. We are only dealing with two areas, the Bowden tube and the nozzle. You're going to need both the supplied wrenches, and if you have one, a ratchet. First, remove the tiny blue clip between the level and the nut. Using the largest wrench, loosen the nut until you can remove it with your fingers. You'll notice the level moves up and down. This is how it moves around on the tube. The end of the tube will look something like this. If there's a clog, use the spring mechanism by the extruder to either push out the clog or pull the filament back so it can be dealt with. My tube was clogged with this, and I got all of this crap out of it after using an X-Acto knife to cut and square it. Onto the nozzle. While the printer is off and completely cool, remove the silicone covering. Next, use the smallest of the provided wrenches to loosen the nozzle. If there's too much hardened plastic in the nozzle, it might not budge. Be very careful not to tweak it too hard while loosening. If you can't get the nozzle to move, preheat your printer and very carefully loosen the nozzle with a tool. Your nozzle might look like mine, just chock full of clogged plastic. I like to use the blowtorch method, where you heat up the nozzle while holding it with a tool before pushing the clog through with a small but strong metal rod. Heat it up and clear it out a few times until you can see light through the tiny hole at the tip. Now let's put it all back together again. Select the option to preheat your nozzle so the heat block is hot while you screw it back in. Screw the nozzle in as it heats up. It gets hot fast, so be careful. Use tools as soon as you can, and even try screwing it in just a little bit before it's heated so you don't get burned. Be sure not to move the heat block and don't screw the nozzle in too tight. To replace the Bowden tube, simply push it in until it can't go any deeper, slip the nut down to the threads, and screw it back in. You don't want to over-tighten this either. A good rule of thumb is to get it finger tight. And don't forget to replace the blue clip. Also important is remembering to re-level after you finish all this so your test print doesn't look like this. Once you're all level, you're good to test. Make sure filament is coming through when you load it, then try something easy. Now you should be all clean and ready to keep printing. I'm Meg. Stay sweet.